Festivals in South India are never complete without a touch of sweetness. From temple-style classics to modern twist, these desserts bring families together and make celebrations extra special. So today we're making 3 irresistible treats: sweet Paniyaram, coconut barfi and salted caramel payasam. First up, the fluffy, bite-sized sweet Paniyaram. For this, take a ripe banana, mash it well with some jaggery and add cardamom and salt. Now fold this into dosa batter. Yes, dosa batter. That's the magic. Now heat your Paniyaram pan, drizzle a little ghee and pour in the batter. Now cook them on both sides till golden brown. Let them cool slightly and there you go, soft, sweet, pillowy Paniyarams ready to pop. Next, we move to the rich and traditional coconut barfi. For this, heat ghee in a kadhai, add desiccated coconut and lightly toast it. Now add sugar and stir patiently. This is the part where love and patience really show. After about 20 minutes, the mixture thickens and starts to leave the sides of the pan. Now add cardamom powder, mix well and transfer it to a grease tray. Smoothen it out, let it set and cut into perfect squares. Simple, fragrant and absolutely melt in your mouth. Finally, let's give a modern twist to tradition with salted caramel payasam. Start by caramelizing sugar until golden, then add sea salt and cream to create a luscious salted caramel sauce. Now keep it aside. In another pan, bring together milk, cream, cardamom and saffron. The aroma is divine already. Now add rice and cook for 5 minutes. Now comes the hero, the salted caramel. Stir it in. Let the rice absorb all that flavor, add some dry fruits and cook for another minute. Garnish with chopped nuts and serve this royal twist on a classic payasam. And that's it, 3 South Indian sweets, each with its own charm. Which one are you trying first? Do let us know in the comments, and for such easy recipes, subscribe to Times Foodie.